Right, I'm back here. I'm doing a 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. I'm going to be removing this. As you can see, it's already loose, so I don't know if it's damaged or somebody else already tried to take it out, but okay. So anywho, doing a Chrysler Town and Country, I'm going to be programming 2 extra keys for this vehicle. The customer did find his original key here, so that's good. And I'm going to be programming these 2. 5-bit key. Okay, 2016, switch ignition off and then on again to make sure the engine on. The engine is off, so we're not about to do that again. That's the password. Now we're gonna go to hot function and we're gonna go to key learning guide type 1. Key learning guided. Start. To learn program keys, you have to finish your race key first. You don't have to do that. It's not going to erase keys. A check pin code has been saved. Yes, I want to use it. Switch the engine off and then on again to make sure it's already off. So it's already 3 keys programmed to the system. So now, for PEPs, please remove the start button, which we already did. Insert the key to be learned, otherwise insert the key directly and turn the ignition on. So we're going to take the key out, the original key, and put in the new learned key. I mean the new key that we're about to learn. And turn it. Yes. So it should say 4 keys learned. Yep, learning successful. Take this key out. So this key should work. Now we're gonna put in the next key. Turn it. Do you want to learn next key? Yes. We did that. So after this, it should say 5 keys learned. It's hot out here. Learning successful. Do you want to learn next key? No. And match key, let's go. That's what we want. So that way the customer can just get in here and press the start button and it starts up. Synchronization of key smart. Yes. Please make sure the ignition is on, the engine is off. It is. Okay. Synchronization successful. Alright, so I should be able to start the car without putting the key into the ignition. So now we're going to take this out and put the next one in. Okay, we did that already. Now we're going to press this and it should start the vehicle up. Yep, easy peasy. lock, unlock. Let's do the trunk. Let's come out. Right, the trunk is working. Let's do this left door. Left. That works. Close that. Yep, that works. Try remote start. So let's close it. Lock. Remote start. And that works. Turn it off. Alright, this is the emergency key. Make sure it works on the door. And it does. Let's try the next one out. Second one. Yep. Perfect.